Who's here?
Hi!
You're 1 hour late, ah.
Paano kayo? May mga date, ako wala.
Ladies, good day.
Thank you.
Elsa,
Oh, thank you.
if you need anything, I'll be around.
Yeah. He really loves me.
Ay, naku, Rosita. Isa sa mga araw na to, paluluhurin ka ng mga yan.
But darling, araw-araw akong lumuluhod.
Alam mo naman kung anong ibig ko sabihin.
I know. Well, maybe one of these days, but not today. Iba to. Iba talaga. He really loves me. Come on, let's eat.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh, good, she's joining us. Come on.
I'll join you in a minute.
Okay, sige, ah.
Okay ba yan?
Naku, nakakataba naman yata ito.
Wala ka naman ka-problema. Elsa, si Andy, sandali lang, ha? Hi! Everybody missed you.
I miss everyone too.
Ano ka ba naman? Hindi ka man lang sumulat. Not a
Rosita,
word.
excuse me. Sandali lang. Hi. Kamusta ka?
Ito, buo pa rin. Ikaw.
Ito. Kulang-kulang. Putol-putol.
Ganon din ako nang iniwan mo.
Sorry. Kinailangan kong umalis.
Hindi ka nagpaalam.
Kung nagpaalam pa ako sa'yo, siguradong hindi ako makakatuloy.
Ganon na lang kababaw ang pag-uunawaan natin.
Ganun kalala. Ganun kalalim.
Ba't ka pa bumalik?
Wala rin dun ang hinahanap ko.
Excuse me.
Yes, I think NeoTrade is strong enough to ignite positive feedback on its own. And we can very well choose control for some of our products. And openness for others, right? Arnel, could you supply all the members of the board a complete and updated list of all our products?
Yes, ma'am.
Meeting adjourned.
Very well.
Leah, can you help me with that?
We'll see you later.
Yeah, sure.
That was a pretty good meeting.
Thanks. Ninong,
Yeah,
may I talk to you in my office, please?
sure.
Thank you.
May problema ba? Is it about Edwin?
No, Ninong.
Well, I must admit that your father was so impressed with Edwin when he was still working with us. But when you got married, he was so worried. Pero kasi, ikaw ang unika iha, wala siyang magawa. At bago namatay ang papa mo, pinagbiling ka niya sa akin. Dahil let's face it, ako lang ang natitira mong kamag-anak na malapit sa'yo. So if there's anything that's bothering you, just let me know. Okay, Iha?
Come in.
Ma'am, para sa inyo po.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Galing kay Edwin.
Well, what can I say? Okay, Iha, I have to go now.
Okay. Thank you, Ninong.
Anytime. See you.
Okay. Hello?
This is your secret admirer.
Ikaw talaga.
You like the flowers?
Of course, I love the flowers.
Yung roses, bright ko sa'yo yan para pumayag kang makipaglan sa akin.
Morning, sir.
Eh, alam ko naman hindi mo matatanggihan. So, paano tayo? Melis, 30 minutes?
Sure.
By the way,
Mahigpit kong pinagbiling kina Manang Bining at Jess na wag magpapasok ng kahit sino sa bahay.
yung ibang katulong ba sinabihan mo?
Oh. Edwin, what's wrong? This past few days, medyo
Sweetheart, sa panahon ngayon mahirap na. You can never tell kung anong mangyayari.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Halika na, Francine.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow, gentleman naman.
Pwede ba may last request lang ako?
Ah,
Oh, litrato lang.
okay, yun lang pala. Sige. Oh, smile kayo, ha?
Okay. Okay. Marunong ka ba niyan?
Oo, alam ko to. Ayan, 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 ayan. Smile! Oh, ang taray. O, sige na, akbayan mo na. Sige na, sige na. Sige na, huwag na kayo mahiya. Sige na, akbayan mo. Magpakabay ka sa kanya. Ay, ang sweet. Gusto ko yan. Ayan, ay, ang ganda. Oh. Oh! Diba? O, gusto ba tayong dalawa naman?
Hindi na.
Hindi, biro lang. Ay, naku, ano ba yung muntik na malaglag? O, ayan.
Salamat ulit.
Well, thank you for dinner. Thank you very much.
Pasensya ka na.
No, you shouldn't say sorry. Ako nga may atraso sa'yo and hindi ko man lang kita napansin dun sa date natin. Pasensya ka na, medyo magulong utak ko nun eh. But thank you anyway.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Salamat.
Naiinis ako, ha? Hindi man lang niya tayo niya rin.
Huwag ka na nga maingay dyan. Buti na nga lang pinakain na lang tayong dinner.
Di ba,
Hindi
siyempre,
tayo ng puso.
di ba alam yung
Pero
pag-rate
alam
na
mo, masarap
tayo?
yung pagkain.
Pare,
Ay!
meron pa isa eh. Pwede bang makahingi ng buhok?
Okay.
Hindi ikaw.
Okay.
Buhok?
Oo,
Saan?
sa ulo mo.
Bakit?
Hindi, kasi may kasabihan yung mga matatanda eh. Pagka isinama daw yung buhok ng isang sikat na tao dun sa bagong unang gupit ng bata, magiging katulad mo yung bata.
O buhok daw.
Isa pa.
O isa pa daw.
Isa pa.
Ow. Ito. Ingatan mo yan, ha?
Thank you ah.
Bye!
Bye. Uy, halika na. Nagkakagulo na sila dun.